Hey, what's up guys? It's Alvin here with the Unboxd. Today we're going to be reviewing the rubber O-ring switch dampers and the WASD keycap puller. Right out of the box, you get 125 40A durometer O-ring dampers and the WASD keycap puller. My first impressions is that these are quality rubber O-rings, and the WASD keycap puller is made out of a sturdy plastic with a matte finish. The O-rings are rated at 40A, meaning that they are softer than 50A or 60A O-rings. This also means that you will get more dampening and a springy feel. The process in installing the O-rings is quite simple. First, you push the keycap puller into the key, and when you hear a click, it means that the keycap is secured and you can now pull out the key. Once the key is out, you simply push the O-ring into place. By using the tip of the key of the keycap puller, you can easily push the O-rings into place. And for consistency, it is best if you push the O-rings all the way back to the bottom. So after installing the O-rings, let's put them to the test. On the left side here, the Q, W, and E keys have O-ring dampers on them, and on the right side here, the Y, U, and I key don't have O-ring dampers. First, let's do the tap test where both sides of the keys are being bottomed out. And now let's do the non-bottomed out test. As you can tell, the O-ring dampers can reduce the bottoming noise quite significantly, and also creates shorter traveling distance for the keys. This means that you can type even faster now. I really couldn't find any cons for these rubber O-rings, but if they were slightly wider in diameter, which then it would provide even more dampening, then that would be perfect. You can find a packet of O-ring dampers for around $17 and a keycap puller for around $3.50. Overall, I'm very satisfied with this product, and for a low price to pay, it's definitely worth getting these. Thanks for watching Unboxd. If you guys want to see the full review of the Corsair Vengeance K90 keyboard, then click the link below. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.